4 golden rules before you get started. What are the 4 golden rules you should know before you get started with the social media marketing plan? The first thing that you should know is you should start with one. Should start with one medium initially. So that you have focused efforts, and then you have reduced the cost. The cost could be in terms of you spending your time. It could be hiring an agency. It could be even spending on the marketing aspect, anything for that matter. So when you have single medium, your efforts are focused. You can understand the performance better. You can have reduced costs, focused efforts, reduced cost, and easy to understand the return on investment. And then you can move on to other medium. The world is not going to end tomorrow. And there are 100,000 people in Facebook, 100,000 people in Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. They are working to continuously develop these platforms. So which means that they're not going to be running short of features. And even if you learn 100 features today, 100 more are going to be created tomorrow. And we are not here to build our expertise on social media. We are here to conduct our business. Here we are to grow our practice in an ethical manner, right? So that being the focus, let us start with one. If supposing getting started. Number 2, you should have a strategy in place. You should not do activity for activity's sake. I am also doing 2 posts a day, and that is the way how I conduct myself. No activity for activity's sake. The moment you have a clear-cut strategy, you will not get lost on the way, because your strategy may be such that you may want to get so and so patients who are of these personas basically. So when you're trying to reach them, you may have to spend some time reaching them, building that audience. But if you have a clear-cut strategy, you will not get lost on the way. And it will also help you prevent the money and time wastage. Okay. Number 2 is you should have a clear-cut strategy. Number 3, you should be willing to experiment. The best lesson that you can learn from anywhere in the world is through the experiment, even in social media. Agencies can tell you anything, your staff can tell you something, and there are a lot of other people, your peers may give a different understanding about social media. But the real understanding about social media's performance can come to you only when you are willing to experiment. Because every brand is different. Say, for example, there's a brand A, brand B, brand C. And all these 3 brands are willing to promote their brand in social media. And all these 3 brands have same budget. And if 3 are going to go to the market through social media, do you think all the 3 will have the same response? Definitely not. Based on so many variables, the response is going to be different. So always try to understand this part well, that you will have to do experimentations. So get to understand your audience better, because only when you do an experiment, you will get an understanding from that response, from the campaign response, saying that what your audience are actually preferring. You may think this will work, but does it really work, or do the people on the other side want something else? Let not the features fool you. Don't think that there are a couple of features in Facebook, couple of features in Instagram, I will use it, and that should be enough. No, you should be willing to experiment properly with 1 or 2, and then you should scale it up. Let in fact nobody fool you, because if you are clear with your experiments, you know the results. The moment you are clear with the results, you don't have to believe others' words. Number 4, why I'm telling you this is a lot of wastages in terms of time that I can see when people are trying to not experiment with their own campaigns, but go by hearsay advice. Number 4, secret sauce. The moment you follow 1, 2, 3, which is starting with 1, having a clear-cut strategy, experimenting with it, and then you arrive at something called as a secret sauce, the real winning formula for you in social media. One campaign that gives you maximum success, basically. The one campaign that is bringing you patients, the one campaign that is building you visibility and credibility in the market. The moment you hit that, you enjoy the results. Enjoy the results. After that, what do? You don't just wait. Then you keep the experimenting process going on and on, so that you can create several such successful campaigns. And then you scale based on performance of these campaigns. Simple formula.